Hey guys, this is not going to be a super edited or cutesy video, but I want to make a point to come on YouTube like a little more raw and candid. I want to make a point to come on YouTube like a little more raw and candid, and to be quite honest, today is January 1st. I have spent all day in my PJs, just chilling, not even chilling, just like cleaning, decluttering, getting my life together, stuff that I was doing yesterday, but I just got back into town, so yeah, I have been having a really good day, but I wanted to come and unbox my brown sugar bait package that I got. It was waiting for me when I came back from Michigan, and I want to open all the things that are in here on camera with you guys, so let's do that. Topicals Slick Solve. I do love this. This is my first container of this stuff and it's almost gone. I don't know that I will repurchase it immediately, but that's not what we're talking about. We're here to unbox this, y'all. The box is so big, y'all. Oh my gosh. This is what the team sent me. When I tell you guys, in my head, I have made it like being on Brown Sugar Babe's PR list. I just don't know, like they really have seen something in me since I started taking content creation seriously. So I just love and appreciate y'all so much. Okay, so first things first, at the top I have this lovely sweatshirt. It says Brown Sugar Babe and AI the Great. So this is for AI the Great's collection. Now, if y'all do not know who AI the Great is, like to me, you're not like a real perfume girly. I don't know. I got really into AI the Great, along with fragrance in general, where I wanted to share it and start it as a hobby. I got really into all of that during the pandemic. I love me some AI the Great. Like I love her take. I love the way that she describes things. I love her personality. She is just so fun, so knowledgeable. I just really vibe with her aesthetic. So I love that they collaborated with her. And then let me show you the back. I cannot wait to wear this. I think I'm gonna put this on after I get out of the shower. I love it. Thank you, Brown Sugar Babe, for that sweatshirt. And now let's get into it. So we have Perfect Pear, which was inspired by her Amorous Intense. Have Brown Banana Foster, which is inspired by Ambrosia Imperial. Okay, then we have Endless Love, and this one is inspired by Amor Infinite. Oh my gosh, the notes also on the back of all of these. You get these in your Brown Sugar Babe package, which I think is super great just to get educated about the fragrances. Okay, so I have those ones, and then I also received Gourmand Girly. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have this one. And then Mother, this is their newest one, and this is the one that is inspired by Soy Maliki. I have never smelled that one, and all of my friends that have similar palates to me love that, so I cannot wait. I know one thing, I need to plug this thing up because it's gonna die soon. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay, the first one that I just opened up is Gourmand Girly. Get into the packaging. Brown Sugar Babe does it every time when it comes to these packages. Like, hopefully I take some really pretty B-roll, but I absolutely love it. Okay. So we have a mug, Brown Sugar Babe, and mugs. I love it. I have another one from the Milky Way collection. I use that mug all the time. It is so cute. Get into it. It says Gourmand Girly. I love the packaging. I love everything about this. I'm gonna look so cute sipping my tea, sipping my coffee. I'm a coffee girl in this, so love that. Then we have the perfume oil in this case. This case is gonna come in handy. I cannot wait to pop that in my purse. I think I want to do a separate video where I'm like smelling them. I think that's gonna be a separate video, first impressions scent wise, but let's just do the unboxing. Okay, so that is Gourmand Girly. Now, ooh, okay, this is Mother. Get into her, get into this packaging. love how the box is telling you the scent story. I am so excited to try this one. So this one I did get in a nourishing body oil. And there's always a little something else in the package with Brown Sugar Babe. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. First of all, I want y'all to know this is heavy AF. Y'all, hold on. Now I need to wear a tiara. This is not a tiara, baby. This is a crown. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm gagged. Y'all, get into it. Brown Sugar Babe. Y'all continue to outdo it. Let me, not too much on my crown. It's rose gold and like these pretty berry tones. They spoil us. Yo, when I say I love being on their VR list, like I love it. Like I love it. I cannot wait to smell that one. Okay, so this final box must be from AI the Great. And I am correct. Now when I open this, I did smell something good. Look at this. Wow. Whoever does their boxes does so good. Look, the AI collection. This is luxury. This is luxury of AI's creations with Brown Sugar Babe. How lovely. All right, y'all, that is the Brown Sugar Babe PR unboxing that I came home to this December. I, again, am so thankful to be on Brown Sugar Babe's PR list. To be seen by a Black woman-owned business within your niche is like so amazing, and what Brown Sugar Babe is doing is really like something very special. I love that I can be a part of that at this point in my career so early on. So thank you, Brown Sugar Babe, and thank you for you guys for watching this. If you want to see me do a first impressions of these, go ahead and like this video. Make sure to share it with a friend, and make sure that you are subscribed if you like this type of content. Let me know which one you want me to smell first down below, or which one you are most interested in, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.